Hello, welcome to my EduZone YouTube channel. Today I will discuss some important questions and answer of TRT. So let's go. Question 1. What does PSI stand for? PSI stand for Power Supply Installation. Next, what is the full form of TSS, SP and SSP? Full form of TSS Traction Substation. Full form of SP sectioning post. Full form of SSP subsectioning post. Here SP is also called sectioning and paralleling post, and SSP is also called subsectioning and paralleling post. Next, what do FP and AT stand for? FP stand for feeding post and AT stand for auxiliary transformer. Next, what are the CT and PT? CT and PT both are transformer. CT is current transformer which measures current, and PT is potential transformer which measures voltage. Next, what is the typical incoming and outgoing voltage at a TSS? At a TSS, incoming is usually 132 kV or 220 kV or 110 kV in three phases, which is stepped down to 25 kV single phase for the wedge. In TSS, incoming is three phase, but outgoing is single phase. Next, what are the standard capacity rating of traction transformer? Traction transformer capacity. Normally 13.5 MVA, 21.6 MVA or 30 MVA. Next, what is the purpose of a Bocuse relay in a transformer? In a transformer, Bocuse relay is a gas operated safety relay which is used to detect internal faults. Internal fault means like insulation breakdown or short circuit inside the transformer tank. Next, what is the function of silica gel in breather? It absorbs moisture from the air entering the transformer's conservator tank during breathing. So, silica gel absorbs moisture. Next, how do you identify healthy versus saturated or damaged silica gel? Normally, healthy silica gel is blue in color, but after absorbing moisture, its color turns into pink. And this pink color indicate it needs replacement or reactivation. Next, question number 10. What is the main difference between a circuit breaker CV and interrupter BM? Main difference between CV and a BM. A CV can clear both normal load currents and heavy fault currents automatically. A VM or a interrupter can only open or close normal load currents manually, remotely, and cannot clear fault currents. Next, Which types of circuit breakers are most commonly used in modern TSS? In modern TSS, normally SF6 or VCV type circuit breakers are commonly used. SF6 means sulfur hexafluoride. VCV means vacuum circuit breakers. Next, which relay acts as the primary protection against OEC short circuit and overcurrent. For detection OEC short circuits and overcurrents, distance relay is used. Distance relay which measures line impedance to locate faults. Next, what is the purpose of a lightning arrestor or LA in a TSS? Lightning arrestor protects substation equipment by safely diverting high voltage surges from lightning strikes or switching directly into the ground. Next, what is the maximum permissible earth resistance for a traction substation? Traction substation or TSS. Here, maximum permissible earth resistance must be less than 0.5 ohm. Next, what is the standard control voltage used for operating relays and breakers in a TSS? For operating relays and breakers in a TSS, 110 volt DC is applied, and this 110 volt DC is supplied by a dedicated lead acid battery bank. Next, which instrument is used to measure the specific gravity of battery electrolyte? For measuring specific gravity of battery electrolyte, we used hydrometer instrument. Next, minimum working clearance for 25 kV AC. Minimum working clearance for 25 kV AC is 2 meter. Next, question number 18. In AC traction, return current flows through. In AC traction, return current flows either traction rail or earth. Next, in 25 kV AC OHE, normal capacity of lightning arrestor. For heavy duty, lightning arrestor capacity normally 42 kV. Next and last question for the day, question number 20. What will be the booster transformer winding ratio between primary and secondary? Winding ratio between primary coil and secondary coil of a booster transformer is 1:1. So friend, if this video is useful to you, please subscribe my channel for more information and videos. Thank you.